and five laundry detergents for smartest washing teams. That's 88 and Century City Mall in Patty. So we hope to see you. If you have plans on joining, you have to check out our fan page at Eat Rock Vanilla on Facebook for your chances for moving free in Redwood. It is happening July 24 at Century City Mall in Manhattan, 7 p.m. The City One. This band is the rest of the team to the big bosses for Chris, from Jill, Mommy, Mano, and the Mano. Thank you, Robert, always. Thanks so much. Magna Optical and her friends at Color My Hair Salon, located at 8251 and Avenue in Whitehead, UT. Thank you to Chino and Yasmin and to Dandy and to the rest of the team at Color My Hair Salon and Skin Clinic. Hello, good morning to all of you, and thank you for having me. Thank you on the radio. All right, it's time for me